I'm going to test two ways to create slides in YouMind, one with just a topic and one with a specific presentation style. I need to create a short presentation about how AI tools are changing content creation for small businesses. Instead of starting from a blank deck, I'm going to use YouMind to generate the first version. First, I'm just sending a simple topic to YouMind in chat. I'm not adding any style instructions or detailed requirements. YouMind picks up the request, starts generating a first version. This is great when you want a quick starting point. Here's the first draft. What I like here is that YouMind doesn't just give me a wall of text. It creates a structured deck with a title, sections, and slide-by-slide content. This already gives me something I can work from. Now I'm going to try a more controlled version. Instead of just a topic, I'm telling YouMind exactly what kind of deck I want. A startup pitch deck with a specific structure and visual style. The more detail I give, the more intentional the result feels. The difference is pretty clear. The first version is useful as a fast starting point, but the detailed prompt version gives the presentation a much more specific direction, different structure, different visual feel. This is helpful when you already know the type of deck you want to create. The important thing is that this isn't just a static AI-generated file. YouMind gives me a full canvas editor. I can click into any slide, edit the text, drag elements around, resize images, reorder slides, and really make the deck my own before I use it. So that's the basic slide workflow in YouMind. Send a topic in chat, get a full presentation, add more detail to your prompt when you want a specific style, and then edit everything in the canvas. It's a fast way to go from an idea to a usable presentation.